Friends, good day. Today we will talk about ethical leadership. Ethical leadership is a type of leadership that emphasizes on moral behavior, honesty, integrity, and fairness and decision making. The key principles include integrity, justice, respect, accountability, and transparency. Is there a difference between ethical leadership and moral leadership? There is a difference between moral and ethical leadership, but there is a gray zone. Moral leadership, so there is a difference between moral leadership and ethical leadership. Moral leadership is about more about personal belief and a personal sense of what is right and wrong. Ethical leadership is based on what is the guidelines of the system or accepted values and culture of the society. It's more of an institutional guideline ang ethical leadership. What is accepted values of the society that and you follow it, you are having ethical leadership. Moral leadership is more of a personal value. So the ethical leadership is more of an organizational standard. The integrity, honesty, accountability, it's more of the organization guidelines or the culture or accepted in the society. While that of a moral leadership, the accountability, integrity, honesty is more of a personal conviction that motivate and inspire others. So if you are talking about moral leadership, it's about your personal values. If you talk about ethical leadership, it's more of the external rules. It's more of the guidelines. It's more of the dominating acceptable practices. So the ethical values or the ethical standard, you are motivated by the guidelines of the organization or the guidelines of the society. It's external. While in the moral leadership, you are motivated by your personal or inner compass and you try to motivate others. I am talking about ethical leadership because some of our leaders are not practicing it. It should be practiced so that there is no chaos and corruption and divisiveness among the Filipinos. The key principles of ethical leadership is respect, accountability, service, honesty, justice, and concern for the community. Those are the 6 principles of ethical leadership. So if our leaders have no ethical values, make errors, bad behaviors, bad judgment, as what is happening around us now, they will create divisiveness. They will create divisiveness among us, and our reputation internationally will be tarnished or diminished, and our economic progress will be hampered. So, as of now, for the younger generation, we should know what is ethical leadership, and we should also know what is moral leadership. So, if you are the concerned citizen there, teach them what is ethical and moral leadership so that our nation will be strong. If you like this video, you can share it. Thank you.